Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones, the DEERC Drone D70 and the Tammy's Drone 4K. Which one will dominate the skies and which one will crash and burn? Stick around to find out. Let's kick things off with the price. The DEERC Drone D70 comes in at $79. It's like the happy meal of drones, affordable and surprisingly satisfying. On the other hand, the Tammy's Drone 4K is $99, which might make you think twice before skipping out on your next avocado toast. But hey, it's still cheaper than a speeding ticket. Reviewers appreciate the DEERC Drone D70 for its affordability and value, while the Tammy's Drone 4K is noted for being reasonably priced considering its advanced features. Next up, the camera quality. The DEERC Drone D70 sports a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. Not bad, right? It's like the iPhone 6 of drone cameras, reliable, but not exactly breaking any records. Reviewers mention that while the camera quality isn't top-notch, it's decent for the price. Now, the Tammy's Drone 4K comes in swinging with a 4K UHD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. That's right, folks, 4K. You can count every pixel of your friend's bad hair day from the sky. Plus, it's got a camera on the bottom too, because why not capture your crash landings from multiple angles? Reviewers love the high-quality camera and additional features of the Tammy's Drone 4K, making it a standout in this category. Let's talk about ease of use. The DEERC Drone D70 is like the drone version of training wheels. One key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, it's practically begging you to fly it. Even your grandma could take it for a spin after her first cup of coffee. Reviewers appreciate how user-friendly it is, especially for beginners. The Tammy's Drone 4K, while still user-friendly, comes with a bit more swag. It's got optical flow positioning for stable indoor flights and gravity control. It's like the cool kid in school. Slightly intimidating, but oh so intriguing. Reviewers also find it easy to use, but note that it may require a bit more practice to master. Now, for the fun factor, the DEERC Drone D70 offers tap fly, voice control, gesture selfies, and even 360 degrees flips. It's like a flying circus in your backyard. You might even forget you're an adult for a second. Reviewers mention that it provides hours of fun and is great for both kids and adults. The Tammy's Drone 4K isn't just fun, it's a party in the sky. With features like 3D flips, speed adjustment, and headless mode, this drone is ready to show off. Plus, it's got 4 wind resistance levels, so you can take it to the beach and show those seagulls who's boss. Reviewers love the advanced features and the added excitement they bring. Portability time. The DEERC Drone D70 folds up to the size of your palm. You can literally fit it in your pocket, just don't sit on it. It's like carrying a tiny transformer ready to unfold and fly at a moment's notice. Reviewers find it compact and easy to carry around. The Tammy's Drone 4K, with its futuristic foldable design and carrying case, is like the James Bond of drones. Sleek, stylish, and ready to travel. Plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, so no need to register it with the FAA. Take that, bureaucracy! Reviewers appreciate the carrying case and the ease of transport. Last but not least, customer service. The DEERC Drone D70 offers 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year free replacement. They've sold over 1.5 million units, so they've got practice dealing with all our drone-related shenanigans. Reviewers generally find the customer service to be responsive and helpful. The Tami's Drone 4K also boasts top-notch customer service, ready to answer all your newbie questions. They're like the drone whisperers, guiding you through takeoffs, landings, and everything in between. Reviewers appreciate the support provided, although some have faced challenges with parts replacement. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The DEERC Drone D70 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and casual flyers. The Tami's Drone 4K, on the other hand, stands out with its superior camera quality, advanced features, and stylish design, appealing to those looking for a bit more from their drone experience. While some users have faced minor issues, overall satisfaction remains high for both products. So which drone should you buy? If you're balling on a budget and want something easy and fun, the DEERC Drone D70 is your new best friend. But if you're willing to splurge a little for that 4K goodness and some extra features, the Tami's Drone 4K is calling your name. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below on which drone you think is the winner, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying! Product links are in the description.